I'm Heather from Painted Real Fiber Arts, and today's video is a Knitcrate Sock Box unboxing for January 2018. I know that it's February. This box is a little late due to me being sick last month and just being busy and everything going on in my life. This has ended up being a little later than I wanted, but this coming up month should be on schedule as long as nothing ends up going on and everything. And as soon as I get it, I'll be recording it as soon as possible and everything. I ended up getting a sock crate from Knitcrate by an accident last month. I ended up ordering it for the end of last month because the 10-box sock yarn box subscription was no longer going to be for this month, February. So I thought, like all the other sock subscriptions, that you have to order by a certain date or you don't get it until the next month or the following month if you don't get in the date. I didn't read the fine print that you get it right away until I did see that, but I didn't. I thought they were talking about for like this month, not last month, January. So I ended up getting this surprise goodie in my mailbox, and I was like, yay, yes, more yarn. But at the same time, I'm like, oh no, I'm going to be charged again for the next month. I say, if you do get this, any other crates, please read the fine print. They really do send it right away. Anyways, I ended up getting this really cool box. I've been wanting to get a sock yarn box from them for a while. This is going to be the sock yarn plus a goodie and then a pattern. I'll put the link down below, as well as how much the box is. It's like $23 and some change, I think, or $22 and some change in the US, and no extra shipping charge. It's included, which is awesome. How many different boxes? You don't have to get the sock yarn one. You can get their regular box. You can get their luxury box. Unfortunately, they don't have the 10 minis anymore, which was my favorite box. The good part about them is you can either get the yarn or you can get the yarn, pattern, and goodie. I'm going to open up this wonderful yarn bag with you and see what kind of yummy goodness is in there. Oh yeah, this is just the yarn plus a goodie. It's just like I said, but they do have another box that you get like an even more prizes in there and stuff, and this is just like just a small prize they give you with it, and the pattern and yarn. This is the Nature Study. It is pretty much just like yarn that is dyed inspired by the walks in the woods, everything in the winter time. And it says, this box calls to mind that feeling of closeness to nature, the simplicity and celebration of misty breaths and cold air, sparkling sunshine on drifts of snow, or windy plains in the wild, untamable woods we live within. It says, lynches on the fallen logs, tiny down feathers discovered in long abandoned nests, the quiet calm of a walk in the deep woods. And I kind of read that backwards. I read the bottom section and then the top. Sorry for that. Sometimes I do those things not realizing, because I got super excited about the yarn down there, and I want to show you. It looks so pretty, and I can't wait to talk more about it. And this is the Sock Crate 2018 for January, and it says, here's what's inside. It is berry yarns, RYBERY yarns. They're from River Rock, Oregon Red Fox, 85% superwash merino, 15% nylon, and finger weight. It is 437 yards, 100 grams per skein, and worth $21, which is expected, because, and then if you add shipping in there, the crate is a lot less, because then the pattern is $5, and then the little extra is $4. So, and then you add the shipping in there, so it ends up being worth your money, because that ends up being like $35, the total, and the box is a lot less. So, and then if you have a coupon, it's even less, or you have Knitcrate points, it's like almost free, which is cool. And they give you points with every order, which is awesome. Then they gave me a really cool pattern. It's to knit a pair of socks that I'm sure is gorgeous. I can't wait to look at it. Oh, it looks so pretty. That's what the socks will look like. Oh, so pretty. Dolly. Oh wow, crazy. I'm not even gonna say Baharwa. It's Dolly, and then it's BHARDWAJ hairpin socks. That's the name of that pattern. I don't know if the camera it doesn't want to pick it up. It looks gorgeous. I think warm, very textured. I like the texture a lot. It makes me want to knit a pair in the future. It's like a burnt brownish orange color with like black in it. It's gonna match another skein of yarn that I have so perfectly. Oh, it's so pretty. I love the speckles of all the different colors that hand-dyed yarn will have, and it's hand-dyed beautiful yarn. The extra is from Cat's Design, and it is a cute little button. And then they give me a coupon to these places that pattern person that put the pattern out, that the pattern designer that put the pattern out into the box, as well as the button person, as well as the yarn dyer gave me pattern, and then links to their websites, which is super cool. And then they tell you where to follow them and so forth on social medias, which I do follow. Anyways, that's the gorgeous sock pattern. Like I just said, that I might do that, or I might do something a little more simple, since doing textures might be a little awkward for me in knitting needles, since it's been a while since I've knitted a pair of socks or anything of that sort. Never really knitted a full set of pair of socks. I just started them and then kind of messed it up and took it apart. And I knitted some texture things, so it'd be neat to knit maybe a more basic sock and then work my way up to something like this. It'd be cool. This is a really pretty button. It came in a little orange bag. I like the color orange, even though pink is my favorite, but orange, I love orange. I think it's so pretty. And I never got an orange bag of these with like that before, so it's gonna be great to hold little knickknacks. But this gorgeous button is made out of wood, and it says knit all the socks, and it is gorgeous. It's a cute little button. It's the cutest. It's gorgeous, and it's made on real wood. Oh, it's so pretty. Love it. But anyways, this colorway is Red Fox, and it is super gorgeous. It is so soft. Oh my goodness. Like, check that out. It is the pretty orangey brown, and like it has little black speckles, or like a dark brownish black speckly stuff in it, which is super cool. Love speckly multicolored yarn like that. It says unique hand-dyed creations, and it says the ryeberry yarns, and Red Fox is the color. And I'm so very excited to play with that yarn and everything, and I'm so happy that you joined me on opening up this yarn box and everything. I hope you all have an awesome, wonderful, beautiful day, night, afternoon, and I will talk to you next time. If you haven't subscribed to my channel by now, please hit the subscribe button down below by hitting subscribe, or hit the little kitty icon down there, and you will be subscribed to my channel, so that way I can keep entertaining all of you, as well as if you like this video, hit the like button down below, as well as if you would like to leave me a comment. I love comments. Please comment down below. I always comment back. Thank you for each and every one of your comments. I love each and every one of them. Thank you so much. As well as if you would like to join me on any of my social medias, those are all linked down below. That is Twitter, Facebook, Bloglovin, and Instagram. As well as if you would like to join me or follow me on my blog, you can. That is linked down below. As well as if you would like to buy any handmade items made by me in my Etsy shop, that is linked down below. As well as anything else that I have forgotten and everything, and those are all linked down below. And have a great rest of the day, night, afternoon, no matter where you're from, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye bye.